All right, we are on day number 21 of the Star Wars Lego Advent Calendar. So let's go ahead and do this here together. As you can see, I've had to move some of the pieces out of the way just so we can get to all the doors. And I have a good building area here, but I've done all of the previous ones. And we're trying to do each one each day here on the channel. All right, so we're gonna do Hoth Luke here. We've got two different faces on them, which is kind of cool. Yeah, we'll just see what we got here. Awesome. Okay, so we've got the lightsaber. Looks like it doesn't really matter which way you go on that. Do that. This goes like, make sure his legs go the right way. Have a stern look on his face there. We'll go ahead and put the goggles on. Maybe we'll have the goggles down. I like the fact that you can have the goggles on, up or down. In this case, we're going to do down, and then good to go. Awesome. All right, and then we've got just the regular lightsaber as well without the without it being lit or emitted. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll team up here tomorrow, and we'll go ahead and do day 22 of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar.